I was on a walker. If I had to walk long distance, I had on a walker. I couldn't bend, I couldn't do anything. I mean, I just hurt. Had the surgery, and I think it kept me about 2 hours after the surgery till I woke up and everything. And I started to get up. Well, she'll tell you, getting out of bed was terrible every day. Well, I just got up, and I've had no pain. And I mean, literally, now I've taken in 5 weeks 2 Tylenol, but we have 5 acres of grass to cut where we live. I got to cut grass, and my back was sore, or it was not hurting, but it was sore. And she gave me 2 Tylenol, and that's the only medications I've had. But my pain is gone. I mean, literally. Now, I do not know what he did, and I don't know what the heck y'all are talking about. But all I know is I am pain-free, and God has been so, my life is, we would not got to travel. We used to travel all the time. I was a teacher for administrator 53 and a half years, didn't want to quit, but my wife and the oncologist made me because of the pain. But now they say I can go back to work.